Little Angel Reader.
Little Angel Reader.
English with Little Angel Reader. Level 1, Lesson 9. How many men do you see? How many men do you see? I see one man. I see one man. What is he doing? What is he doing? He is running. He is running. We see a man. He is walking. We see a man. He is walking. How many boys do you see? How many boys do you see? I see 2 boys. I see 2 boys. What are they doing? What are they doing? They are reading books. They are reading books. I see 3 elephants. I see 3 elephants. 1, 2, 3. What are they doing? What are they doing? They are standing. They are standing. Elephant. Elephant. An elephant. An elephant. 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 Colors. Colors. Yellow. Yellow. A yellow balloon. A yellow balloon. What do you have? What do you have? I have. Max, what do you have?
I have a yellow square.
Square. A yellow square. I have a yellow square. I have a yellow square. Max, can you make a yellow square?
Sure.
Okay, yellow square. What color is this square?
Yellow.
It's yellow. Yellow square. How many squares do you have now? Count.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 squares. Green. Green. A green balloon. A green balloon. Max has a green balloon. Max has a green balloon.
I have a green balloon.
I have a green balloon. I see 2 children and 2 balloons. I see 2 children and 2 balloons. 1 balloon is green. 1 balloon is green. I have a green square. I have a green square. I see a green frog. I see a green frog. What do you see? What do you see? I see a green frog. Frog. I see a green frog. Frog. How many green frogs do you see? How many green frogs do you see? I see 6 green frogs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this frog is red. And this frog is red. 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 A red balloon. A red balloon. The man has a red balloon. Max, can you make a red square? Red.
Okay.
Red square. Red. What color is this square? It's
Red.
red. Red square. Red square. Red. Max, can you make a red square?
Sure.
Red square. What color is this square?
Red.
It's red. Red square. Okay, red square. Let's take a picture. Uno. 1. 4 yellow.
1 yellow.
1 yellow. Okay, I go fish. 6 yellow. Your turn.
2 yellow.
2 yellow. 2 green. Let's change the color. 2 green.
9 green.
9 green. Okay. I have 9 red. 9 red. Your turn, Max. No cards?
I have 9.
Do you have any red?
No.
Any 9?
No.
Go fish. Okay, my turn. I have. He has. She has. The boy has a red balloon. Max has a red balloon. Dance. Dancing. The balloon is dancing. What is the balloon doing? The balloon is dancing. The balloon is dancing. The balloon is dancing. The girl is dancing. The girl is dancing. The children are dancing. The children are dancing. Who is dancing? Who is dancing? The children are dancing. The children are dancing. Who is dancing? Who is dancing? The boy and the girl are dancing. The boy and the girl are dancing. The men and the women are dancing. The men and the women are dancing. What are they doing? What are they doing? Dancing. Dancing. They are dancing. They are dancing. 1 green.
1 red.
1 red. 8 red. Your turn, Max. No red, no 8?
Oh, yeah.
You have? Okay, what do you have?
Yellow 8.
Yellow 8. Okay, I have 5 yellow.
7 yellow.
7 yellow. Uno. Okay, I go fish.
I have 1 card.
3 yellow. Do you have any cards? 3 yellow.
1 yellow.
1 yellow. Okay, I go fish. Your turn. Your turn, Max. Nothing? Okay, I'll go fish. 4 yellow.
4 red.
4 red. Great. 4 green.
0 green.
0 green? Okay. Candy. Candy. 3 candies. 3 candies. Candies. Yum, yum. Max has candies on the table. There are candies on the table. Max, throw the dice. Each candy has 2 colors.
Yellow,
What color?
yellow.
Yellow, yellow. Okay, can you find the candies? Can you find one candy that is yellow? Yes, this is a yellow candy. Yellow. Okay, throw the dice. Throw. Throw the dice. 1, 2, 3. What color?
Green and yellow.
We have 2 colors, green and yellow. Green and yellow. Can you find a candy that is green and yellow? I know. Here it is.
Oh, yeah.
Is it green and yellow? Thank you. Green and yellow candy. All right. Can you open the book, Max? Yay! There's a froggy. English with Little Angel Reader. Level 1, Lesson 9. What's next? Homework. Elephant. Frog. Dance. Dancing. The girl is dancing. The children are dancing. What do you have? I have a red balloon. He has a green balloon. She has a yellow balloon. Yellow, green, red. Do it now. If you like my lessons, you can thank me here. PayPal, littleangelreader@gmail.com. Hi, my name is Anna Mitkevich. I am a professional English teacher with more than 20 years of experience. I also write children's books, and run a YouTube channel called Little Angel Reader. I am a wife and mother of 2 talented children, Angelina and Max. They are both fluent in English. We live in Russia. Like and subscribe, please. Little angel reader, little angel reader, read along with angel reader, have some fun with angel reader.